In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Gmail account from your device within just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to declutter your digital life or you're simply managing multiple accounts, I'll guide you through this process step by step. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to your Gmail inbox. This serves as the starting point, and it's important to ensure you're logged into the account you want to manage. If you haven't already signed in, do so by entering your credentials, otherwise you'll see your inbox loaded with your emails. This is also a good moment to make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, since, without it, some steps may not load properly. Next, once you're in your inbox, you'll need to direct your attention to the upper right hand corner of the page. You'll see an icon here, typically showing your profile picture, or in some cases, your initials within a circle. Give this icon a click, it will give you access to your account settings. Now this is crucial because you're essentially interacting with all the accounts that you might have logged into on this particular device. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop down will appear showcasing all the Gmail accounts currently associated with your device. Here's where the magic happens. You might see a button or a link labelled show more accounts if you've logged in with more than one account before. Selecting this option will expand your view, allowing you to see beyond just the few accounts initially visible. It's kind of like opening a drawer to see everything instead of just peeking inside. Now in this list of your accounts, carefully spot the one you intend to remove. This is a critical step. You want to make sure you're selecting the right one to avoid removing an account unintentionally. It's understandable how a mix-up can occur, especially when managing multiple accounts with similar names. So take a moment to verify you've selected the correct account listed within this drop-down menu. After identifying the Gmail account you wish to remove, you'll also see an option to do so, usually labelled simply as remove or something similar. Tap or click on remove to proceed, and the system will begin to process your request. It's worth noting that a prompt or a confirmation dialog box might appear, asking you to confirm your decision to remove the account. This acts as a safeguard to prevent any accidental account deletions, giving you one last chance to reconsider. If you're prompted with such a confirmation, carefully read the details presented before proceeding. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm your action. With the account removed, it will no longer appear in your account drop-down list. This means you won't have immediate access to it anymore from this device. However, remember that you aren't deleting the account altogether. It's more like disconnecting it temporarily from this particular browser or device. It might be a good idea to clear your browser's cache and cookies afterward, particularly if you're on a shared or public device. Doing so ensures that no residual data is left behind that might inadvertently try to reconnect or save session information from the removed account. Additionally, if you ever need to access this Gmail account again from the same device, you'll just need to sign in anew and it will appear in the list once more after you log in. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to remove a Gmail account from your device. This simple process can significantly contribute to maintaining your privacy and keeping your digital activities organized and manageable. Remember, whether it's for security reasons or just decluttering, managing your accounts like this is always a good practice. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day.